Hi everyone. If you see a lot of my videos, you know I kind of like knives. And this company, CRKT, excuse me, they've got good quality stuff. This is my second knife from them. And this is something that'd be real comfortable to carry in my pocket. And I don't like a big bulky knife, right? So this is this actually's got a ring on it to put a keychain on or something. But it doesn't have a cover over the side of the blade. See that? It's interesting, but you can't get yourself. You can't. So yeah, when I saw that, I was kind of shocked. But you just slide it up with your thumb like so, and it's got a lock blade on it. So it closes up. It's safe, but it closes up good. And yeah, it's a nice knife. It's a good quality company. But it does have a hook on it for putting on your belt or pocket or however you like to do it. Good stuff, and comes with a mighty fine edge too. So and for me, it's a straight blade. Okay. So I like that because when it comes time to resharpen, I'm not the best in the world. But this is something that's going to be easy to keep sharp, I think. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you later. Bye now.